guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Alex Tech Review, coming at you guys with another one. We got the BUGANi speaker. Let's get this unboxed with my trusty unboxing knife. Love this knife. It looks like a meat cleaver. Love the style of it, guys. Yeah. So let's get this open. There we go. Didn't need to do too much work. Too much work is that sometimes I cut myself with this tape that Amazon puts here to protect the package. Here we go. The BUGANi speaker in its full glory, and it has like a little bag to protect it. Let's put it down with the camera like this. Sorry guys, trying to get the right angle here with a tripod. So it's the BUGANi M118 wireless speaker. Okay. I like this. I like this. I like this a lot. I like the fact that they wrapped it up in paper, but so we can see the lettering and everything. BUGANi. I picked the black one. I was gonna get the orange and black one, but then I was like, nah, I didn't like it too much. So here we go, the BUGANi speaker. It says large capable battery, HD clear sound, super large, hold on. Is that super long standby, aux and hands-free, okay. Okay. So I like this that it shows in the back is USB to charge it. I'm sorry, yeah, USB Type-C to charge it, aux. We got the micro SD card, and I don't know what this is up here. I think it's to put a microphone. Let me see, is that? Yeah, it says aux input, yeah, for a microphone, and then to do the reverse charging. Wow. It says that this battery has the capability of charging an iPad, an iPhone, and I'm sorry, the iPod, an iPhone, a iPod, iPhone, iPad, and I guess a MacBook. That's what it's looking like to me. I love the design of this box. So play with Studio Set. Okay, and this is the front of the box. Here we go. Yeah, baby. Okay, so let's get this unboxed. Let's get this. I don't like really hassling with this tape, so you guys are ready. I just like come right through it. Save me some time. There we go. The knife makes it a lot easier, guys. It makes this process a lot easier. Okay, so let's get this. Okay, hold on. Yeah, there we go. Hold on, because I don't want to break the box, guys. Yeah, see, no. There we go. Love that it protects it. Let's see what else is in here. As usual, your aux cable and your USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable to charge other devices. So it actually brings the cable. Most of these speakers, I noticed that bring this cable, the USB Type-A to USB Type-C to charge other things. And of course the aux cable. So you see it says BUGANi right there. It does say BUGANi, guys. So I'm trying to like doing this without trying to rip the bag in itself. Okay. So we are unboxing it backwards. There you go. The BUGANi brand. Bring the camera a little bit lower so you guys can see it better. And here goes the flap. And this speaker, if I believe, is IP6 waterproof. As long as this seal, this flap is there, right? So USB Type-C, aux, like I said, for the microphone if you want to do karaoke, and then of course the reverse charging. First, I don't know, I think BUGAni should have put the name in the front. It would have looked nice, because this is like a jet black speaker. I love the build quality of it. We got the capacitive radiators right here. This thing is gonna knock. I know it's gonna knock. So let's get this speaker hooked up, guys. Let me put the camera in a way where you guys can see everything, even the handle. There we go, perfect. This is the power button. I like this, you can see the screws. Okay, now let's connect this speaker to my iPhone 15 Pro, my favorite phone to try speakers on, to be honest. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to Bluetooth, and let's see the name that it comes out. Okay, so it comes out under BUGAni M, as you guys can see right there. It comes out as BUGAni M118, the model number. There we go. That's the little noise that it makes when it's connected. Now, let's find my favorite speaker. My favorite song to listen to music to check out the bass and all that. Here we go. This is at 50%, guys. It does have a little bass. Does not have no lights, guys. Now it's hitting hard. So CapCut is back and running, guys. Back up and running. But I have been using iMovies on my iPhone to, basically edit the last couple of videos, which I highly recommend it too, man. It's a great app. Use it straight from your iPhone. I like it. Been messing with it. So love the design of this BUGAni. Back to the speaker. Love the design of it. Yo, this thing knocks hard. I know you guys can see these subwoofers here, and you guys seen them bouncing with the beat. It is definitely a great speaker. 140 bucks right now is on sale. You get, I think, 45% off. I paid, I got it when the sale first started, so Amazon threw me another 20% off. So I actually paid $65 for this speaker when it's 140 freaking bucks. It says 80 watts. It does project to 80 watts. I know with non-copyrighted music, it's gonna knock like crazy. The bass is amazing. I felt the floor shaking right next to my feet. The speaker's probably like 2 feet away from me right now as we speak. And the bass was rattling the floor in the room. So if you want a bass intense speaker that when you turn it up, the bass kicks ass, this is definitely one. This is a crowd pleaser, a party pleaser, and it's a great looking speaker, guys. And I think the battery life is great as well. Let's see what battery life it has. Let me look up these details while you guys look at the speaker. I always wanted this speaker, ain't gonna lie. I was like, I'm not gonna spend 140. But it's worth it though, from what I'm seeing right now. Battery life 24 hours. You can't beat that. 24-hour battery life. And you can also get it in orange. So the affiliate link will be dropped down in the comment section down below for your purchase. There you go. You have it in orange. I got the all black, jet black one. You guys see it looks mean. It looks tough. The orange one looked nice too. See, right now, if you're an Amazon member, Prime member, you're going to get 45% off. Well, I don't even think you need to be a Prime member. But definitely worth it, guys. This speaker is definitely worth the money. And it has Bluetooth 5.3. So it has the newest Bluetooth. Love it, though. Love this speaker, man. This speaker is awesome. You guys heard it. It's a great looking speaker. It's an awesome product from my first time trying out this brand. BUGAni. Almost sounds like Bugatti. BUGAni is doing right things, man. They're doing right things, because like I said, this I wish I could find my other, because this is hip hop, you know. Let me try to find another hip hop non-copyrighted track, so you know we can see what it's about. YouTube non-copyrighted, copyright free music. I know a lot of you. BUGAni's gonna be one of my favorite new speakers. It is not that heavy. I would say it's around maybe 3 to 4 pounds lighter than all my other speakers, because the other ones weigh like 5 to 6, 7 pounds, to be honest. So definitely not too heavy. I see why it doesn't have straps. I mean, for an older person, to be completely honest, yes, this would be heavy. But that's what makes it great. You know, you when you have a speaker that has weight on it, guys, you know it's gonna sound loud and it's gonna bang. It's hardly ever when you have, unless it's from a real cheap brand that you never heard of, then you might run into a problem like I did with Worry Free Gadgets, that brand, that Army Fatigue speaker. I sent it back. It was straight trash. Like, it never turned back on. It was loud, but the bass wouldn't hit hard. So it was like a big speaker for no reason. You get what I'm saying? So there's situations like that, like with that Worry Free brand, Gadgets brand, that I'm not saying it's bad, because the speaker still sounded good, but the bass wasn't as good as this one. And the Worry Free Gadgets, I mean, it is a good brand, because I see a lot of people, buying it on Amazon and on TikTok, because they do sell on TikTok a lot of that, but this speaker just hits harder. That's what I'm trying to do, the comparison. This speaker, and that speaker, the speaker that I bought without the discounts that Amazon gave me, goes for around the same price. I think $100 to $140. And I just got a bad one, from for Worry Free Gadgets. Later on in the future, I might try to get another one to see how it plays out. But just to compare that to this one, yeah, this one's way better. This is a way better speaker. This BUGAni, I gotta be brutally honest. I could be brutally honest, because none of these videos are sponsored. I buy this with my own money, so I could be like as critical as I want to be. All I gotta say, yes, this is a crowd pleaser. This is definitely a major go, a major hit. I like it a lot. So guys, like I said, in the comment section down below, the speaker link, you know, the affiliate link to the speaker will be provided in the comment section down below. If you guys interested, get one. You won't regret it. So yeah, guys, that was all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. You all ready? And thank you for watching.